How to add an image over a video in DaVinci Resolve. So first things first, you see this is my video that I've already been working on with onto the timeline. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Master, right click and click on Import Media. Now from the Import Media section, I'm going to select the picture that I want to add in over the video. So from here, I would like to add this image into the video. Now from the Master section, once again, I'm going to drag and drop that image into the timeline. I'll just adjust this so the image shows up for like about a second or 2 seconds. Shorten this up, and you can just drag and place it to wherever you want it to be seen into the video. Let's just play that out and see if this is where we want to see it. And there you go, this is where the image pops up, but I'm not quite happy with how that looks. So to change up how an image looks like, if you want to blend that image into the video, what you're going to do is you're going to simply click in onto the photo actually, like select the photo and head over to the inspector tool. Make sure that you're into the edit section once you do that. So let me just select the photo and click on inspector tool. Go back and click on inspector tool. And from here, you can add or reduce the zoom. Let's drag it back, select it. This is the image. I want to blend that image into the video. I'm going to zoom this thing out in a way that this blends itself into the video. So guys, this is how you can add in an image on a video on DaVinci Resolve.